What's up guys, Rand Razor here with another tech video for you guys today, and today we're going to check out one of the mightiest cases for the iPhone X, the classic OtterBox Defender case. So of course, without further ado, let's slice this open, slap it on the iPhone, and give you guys my quick in-depth review. As with every new iPhone since the iPhone 3G, OtterBox has introduced another version of the Defender case for the all-new phone. It comes in a variety of different colors here. I thought I'd switch it up from your traditional black and share with you guys their navy/gray combination. And as you can see here, the Defender case still comes with a included holster that also acts as a stand, which is a pretty nice bonus. So you can see here the Defender case looks largely the same thing as last year's model, except made for the iPhone X. That being said, one new feature of the Defender case is that it's now screenless. Traditionally, the Defender case normally comes with a built-in polycarbonate screen protector, but in this case here, we no longer have that. Now first you might be thinking, is OtterBox cheaping out on this case? But when you think about it, you can now use a tempered glass screen protector with your iPhone that's already on it with the Defender case here, meaning you get better protection than a traditional polycarbonate screen protector. Anyways, let's slap this on the iPhone and see what it looks like. It's still a two-piece or kind of three-piece design. You have an outer TPU layered material as well as an inner polycarbonate shell. And here's a quick look at the inside here. There is a cutout for the Apple logo with a built-in screen protector and a foam pad on the back here to protect the back of the iPhone. Alright, so we got the rubber piece off. Next we'll just take the polycarbonate piece here and split it into two. Alright, so we got the iPhone X in place. We'll put this piece on top, but I also have a tempered glass screen protector on here, which is an edge-to-edge one. So I'm actually kind of curious to see if this will actually fit or not. And, oh wow, this is actually fit. Oh wow, this actually fits. That is actually quite astonishing. Alright, so I kind of spoke too soon there. It's actually starting to lift the corner here, which you can see it's starting to bubble up. So no, this case here is not compatible with an edge-to-edge screen protector. That being said, we could try a classic one. Alright, so I slapped on a classic style tempered glass screen protector, which basically means it only covers the front, not the edges. And thankfully, this one here is compatible, no issues at all. Alright, so we'll put the Defender case back together. The easiest way to put the edges back on is to kind of massage the edges all the way around. And you're basically all set to go. Anyways, taking a quick overview of this case and what it has to offer. Starting off with the front here, we do have an excellent amount of top protection with these giant bezeled borders that surrounds the entire border of the phone. And of course, if you combine it with a tempered glass screen protector, you get pretty much ultimate top protection. Moving on to these sides here, you have covers for your volume rockers as well as a protective flap for the vibrate and ringer switch. On the other side, you have a cover for the power button, in addition to this textured finish that surrounds the left and right side to give you slightly better grip. On the bottom of the case, you have two individual cutouts for your stereo speakers and mic, and a protective flap for the lightning port. Lastly, on the back side, you have a protective cover and cutout for the Apple logo, a cutout for the camera flash and secondary microphone with a blacked out finish to prevent any flash issues, and the OtterBox logo engraved on the bottom. Overall guys, my first impressions on the OtterBox Defender case for the iPhone X is pretty positive. Just like last year's model, it's pretty much the ultimate drop protective case available for the iPhone X that's sleek, stylish, yet still giving you full access to all the features and buttons on the iPhone X. One new feature that I like what OtterBox did with the new iPhone X Defender case is the complete removal of the built-in screen protector. The fact of the matter is that tempered glass screen protectors are much more protective than their polycarbonate counterparts. They're thicker, look nicer, and they feel like the original glass display on your iPhone X. And for those of you wanting to get a Defender case in combination with a tempered glass screen protector, make sure they're not the edge kind, as they're not really compatible with the Defender case, and OtterBox does offer their alpha glass screen protectors that are compatible with the Defender case. Aside from that big change, everything else is pretty much what we expect from the Defender case: thick, bulky, and protective. And yes, for those of you guys wondering, you can wireless charge with the OtterBox Defender case. In terms of any cons or things that I don't like about the Defender case, the obvious one is that yes, it's going to be a little bit of a bulky case, which you can see on the sides here, almost doubles the thickness of the iPhone X. That being said, that is the highlighted feature of buying this case, is if you want the most ultimate protection for drops for your iPhone X. In conclusion guys, if you're looking for the ultimate drop protective case for your iPhone X, you definitely can't go wrong with the OtterBox Defender case. Anyways, thanks for watching guys, hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions or comments about this case, ask away in the comment section there down below. Hit that like button, as always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.